Hi everyone, Sandra here. In the video you're about to watch, Dave and I replace the transfer case fluid in our 2000 Ford F350 pickup truck.
Wow. Okay. Flexible piece of metal.
Dave's positioning that in such a way, hopefully, that it won't drain into this, which is the skid plate. Otherwise, it actually,
It'll make a mess.
Yeah, it's under there. So hopefully this will get it to drain the way we want it to. Oh, there it comes. Ooh, and it's splashing everywhere.
Doesn't look too bad, but I don't see any chunks. It's supposed to be 2 quarts of tranny fluid, right?
Yes.
It's getting everywhere. Gosh.
Okay, so Dave's putting the plug back in where the differential fluid drained out of.
Some people probably tell you you're supposed to put thread tape on there. But I don't think
It didn't have it on there before, did it?
I don't think so. Not too bad. Let me make sure I get this one loose.
There's another one.
This is the filler.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Now he's removing the filler plug.
There we go. That's all I need to know.
So we drained the transfer case fluid out, and now we are going to be replacing it with this. And based on my research, it takes 2 quarts, and this is the kind of stuff that you need to get. It's automatic transmission fluid, and you want this like Ford recommended Mercon. So it says right on here, GM and Ford approved, full synthetic is what we're using. And yeah, let's go to it. For this operation, due to the positioning of the fill, the filler,
Yes.
we got this little accordion bendable spout that screws onto the top of the bottle so that we can get it in there without spilling. You need an Allen wrench to be able to get these plugs out. Okay, you ready for the bottle of stuff? It's supposed to hold 2 quarts, so that's what we put in it. Should be good to go. Okay, so that wraps up the video, and if you've got any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. Dave and I do a lot of the maintenance on our vehicles ourselves because it saves us a lot of money, and keeping up to date on these kinds of things is really important, and it's, you know, preventative so that you don't run into much bigger, much more costly problems down the road. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.